Hi again, it's the guys from Allen Marsh Travel Center in Boise, Idaho. Check out our last 2022 21-foot Starcraft. Beautiful boat. As you can see, it's got dual axle trailer, power canopy, ski tow bar. This has a 115 4-stroke SHO motor, 25-inch pontoons, big deck on the back. There's the swing tongue in the front. And of course, all of our boats have metalcraft trailers with center guides. Let's take a look inside. Beautiful tan interior, storage under the seats, cup holders in the seats. This comes with the changing room, porta potty, comes out of that area right there. Nice looking pit area. As you can see, comfort, reclining captain's chairs, beautiful dash, stereo, hummingbird fish finder, nice gauge. This is all your lighting, tilt steering wheel. There's your nice ladder in the back. Like I said, big deck. This is big storage area here. This is where the batteries go. Fun all day. Beautiful boat. Call us 208-322-2730 or visit us online at allenmarsh.com. Thank you.